Hi guys, now we will change the prompt of Termux to our name or anything text we want. Firstly, type the command apt update and apt upgrade y. And enter. Secondly, type the command pkg update and pkg upgrade y. Thirdly, type the command pkg install nano. Fourthly, type the command cd/user/etc. Fifthly, type the command nano bash.bash. Sixthly, click the down arrow until ps. And delete text. Seventhly, the procedure for writing is, the color code, followed by our name, without spaces. You can see the full color code in this video description. Lastly, click Ctrl X and Y, next open new season. Okay, it's work, let's try it guys.